How to redeem Starbucks gift card on app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem your Starbucks gift card on the Starbucks app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open the Starbucks app. And here in the bottom, tap on pay, and here tap on add a new card. If you already have a Starbucks card, tap on yes, add now. If you don't have, you can buy a new one. So if you have, just tap on yes, add now, and enter here the number that will be on the back of the Starbucks card, and enter here the security code, and then tap on add card. And this is how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card on the app. Thanks for watching.